Hello guys, welcome back on Technology Welfare. Let's learn and live here. What's with practical in this tutorial? How to recover your Gmail ID without having especially your recovery Gmail ID or registered recovery mobile number. Right now, one friend who has lost his device today and who has recommended to recover this ID particular. So if I go for try again guys here and see this is a particular ID that we would like to show. We don't have a password, so we have an opportunity that try another way. Fines. Just we will have to go for I don't have a number. So now it's essential that couldn't provide enough information for Google to be assured this account is real yours. So in that condition we will have to provide the sufficient information, and after giving sufficient information, Google will recognize that you are a genuine owner or genuine, of course, account holder of this Gmail ID, and of course now Gmail ID will be recovered. You will have an opportunity to enter their recovery Gmail ID or recovery registered mobile number according to your own desire. Spontaneously, of course, you can create a strong password also. How that? We will see live here, guys. So how that? Let's start now. See, we are unable to recover. So firstly, we will have to come in especially Play Store and upon here. We will have to just we will go for right in especially there. Let me keyboard of this Samsung. Now we will once again type MER browser. We will write here BRO. Now here just to see guys, we will go for scroll up, and here we have one that is a browser browser for web. Just this one browser we will have to. So total MB is approximately 121 MB. So we will have to install this browser. So let's say it will take time a little bit more. So we will wait here. It has started to download. See, approximately 2% has been installed, 5%. So it's installing now. So on the other hand, we will have to let it install. We will have to come in especially Google product. We will keep in here. We will hold here Google browser, guys. Hold it. So we will have a I dot option. We will click on here and upon. We will be here. Just wait. We will have to wait here. Of course, we will click on a notification. We will have to block it. So make it disable. It's already disabled because of course I have been recovering multiple Gmail ID, especially in day. So of course that already actually blocked. So now we are going to especially here navigate the permission. So in the permission especially, of course, we will have to navigate the location. So where is here it is. Just we will go for we will allow, and thereupon of course we will don't allow. So before in the allowings, of course, use precise location, make it disable, and thereupon of course we will go for now don't allow anyway. So now say it's done. We will back a little bit. Of course we will once again back 2 times. We will come the set as a default options. We will make it enable. Then we will clear on a default. Clear defaults 4-5 times. Click on it, and thereupon of course we will back. Now let it close. Once again we will come in a Chrome browser. So as we know, this is also Google product. So we will click on a Google product. We will hold the Chrome browser. We will have I dot. Just we will come in a help with there. And thereupon of course what we have to do. See, notification, make it disable. So of course we have done it. Now we will tap on a permission, we will navigate the location once again, and thereupon of course we will allow use precise location, of course we will make it disable, and thereupon of course once again now we will click don't allow anyway. Fine. Now we will back. Once again we will back. Now we have a especially browse app, just we will click here and here we will check it out. See, bro, earn this browser is upper part, we will select this one and thereupon we will come here. Now see here, this browser is already downloaded now, so now we will open it. Let's start here. Now step by step you will have to execute all the strategy, and of course you will be able to. Now here is asking don't do anything, so guys just we will come to skip it. Yes, we will come continue or without an account, just we will click use without an account. So now we come in a search bar. Here we will have to write a Google, so let's see. We will go in there. So now just we will have to wait guys here. It's taking time, no problem at all. Let it. It's not reaching, just asking to other connect so Wi-Fi, so I'm not going to. So right now just it will work, so guys a little bit, it's the first time, so that's why we will back and once again we will type Google. Of course we will write now .com. .in. Let's see now. Now we will go for once again. Now it has been opened. Just we will click upper link. Now we have a green dot. That is a sign in. Now here once again we will have to type a particular that's ID. Mac Talker. And thereupon of course we will go for @Gmail. This one's fine. We will go for next now. And thereupon now we will go for forgot password. And thereupon once again we will back here. Let's see. This asking number. So of course we don't have. We will click here. Don't have. Now it's asking we couldn't sign in. So here we don't click on try again, so otherwise of course this account would be freeze because Google will trust that we are trying to recover the particular account that doesn't belong to me, and due to with a via different browser I'm trying to recover, so Google will not give you the permissions to us. So just we will cut it from here. Once again now we will tap on our settings. Now this is a crucial step that we will have to execute on our time guys. Now we will come to Google service and tap on it here. Now we are on a just at the corner we have a 3 dot. One is a helpline. Of course we will go for here. In a help search bar we will have to type here that we will have to explain the real problem, lost and the stolen device, because of that actually. So now here fix the common issues, just we will come now recover your account. Last one we will select. Now we have options. Tip to complete account recover. Now we have a account recovery page, just tap on it and upon. Now this browser is automatically opens. Now we will have to once again write this particular Gmail ID. Fine. Now we will go for here next and upon. Let's see what will happen here. Now see guys, here directly we would be here and upon here don't click on a next options or continue, just we will have to pick here that is a specially update password. This one we will have to like, so guys, so click on here. Now what will happen guys, here is giving an opportunity to generate here. See, now here we have a given opportunity. Google has given create a strong password. So what we will do here guys, see, write any strong password, confirm any strong password, and thereupon of course But right now, before creating, this is live recorded, so we are not going to create here right now. Firstly, we will try to recover the particular some that are very important. So data we will recover and the point. Now see, after here, if we are unable to create a strong path, directly we will escape and the point. After here is an opportunity, that is escape, and after escaping, directly we can add their particular recovery number, particular Gmail recovery. So we have an opportunity to recover, add their recovery Gmail ID, recovery registered number, and the response save it, of course, easily. Otherwise, directly create a strong password and the response save it. So how easily this can be recovered, guys? Right now, at the moment, we cannot create a strong password because this is live recording. But of course, this is all about by easy way you can recover it. This is all about. If you found this is informative and knowledgeable, then please don't forget like, subscribe, and share this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make such as informative tutorial, guys. And this is one for education purpose. Don't misuse it, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.